E-scooters are the newest wave to take the transport world by storm, but how do you choose one that's suited to you? Today we break down the good, better and best in the e-scooter space to help you make your mind up on which is best for you. You want your e-scooter to not only perform consistently, but to last the distance too. With that in mind, firstly, establish what you're going to use your e-scooter for and in what conditions. If you intend to use it solely in a city environment on tarmac roads, then an e-scooter with solid wheels will suit. Taking it over rough terrain or grass, it's worth looking for an e-scooter with inflatable tyres to soften the bumps. Looking to take it on trains and buses, then weight should be a consideration. And if you live in an area with hills, a motor with high torque is an absolute must. For a smooth ride and a bit of fun on the weekend, you want to take a look at the Segway F30. You'll be able to reach a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour with a payload, which is how much weight it can safely carry, of 100 kilos. Weighing in at just 15.1 kilos itself and covering a maximum range of 30 kilometers. The 300 watt motor allows you to climb slopes with up to a 15% incline. Different riding modes can be toggled through the top button. Eco mode limits the top speed to 14 kilometers per hour, which is great for beginners, and sports mode unlocks the 25 kilometers per hour top speed. See and be seen in the dark with powerful front and rear LED lights, and Bluetooth connectivity lets you lock and unlock your scooter, see riding stats, enable cruise control and update the scooter's firmware all from your phone. The Segway KickMax G30 is a great step up for those after something for daily use. Like the F30, this scooter will take you to speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour with a payload of up to 100 kilos and weighs in a little heavier at 19 kilos. The huge capacity battery in the G30 is good for a range of up to 65 kilometers, which is perfect for long trips. And the powerful 350 watt motor will get you up slopes with an incline of 20% as well as increased acceleration. You still get all the great app features from the F30 as well as the steel frame, puncture-resistant tyres and regenerative braking, which gains you back battery life when gently squeezing the brake lever as you ride downhill. For the top of the class e-scooter, look no further than the Unagi. Made from a combination of strong and lightweight carbon fibre, magnesium alloy and aluminium, this lightweight beast will take you up to 25 kilometers per hour with an increased payload of 125 kilos. You'll be able to travel up to 25 kilometers, and the advanced dual motor system consists of two 250 watt motors, one on each wheel, providing consistent power on both flat road and inclines of up to 26%. Dual electronic anti-lock brakes bring you to a safe and steady stop, and all of this fits inside a frame that weighs only 12.9 kilos. Each state and territory in Australia has a different set of rules and regulations pertaining to the usage of e-scooters, e-boards and e-bikes, including where e-scooters, e-boards and e-bikes can legally be used and whether these products need to be registered with the relevant road traffic authority. Any user of this product must ensure that they check and abide by their local bylaws and use responsibly. Ride with caution and always wear a helmet and protective gear when riding your e-scooter, e-board or e-bike. For more help on choosing your perfect e-scooter, pop by a local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.